In this video, I'll show you how to create a booking app in Lovable. First, open Lovable and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Project to start a new app. Next, in the prompt box, describe the booking app you want to create. For example, you can type, "Create a booking app where customers can select a date and time, enter their contact information, and book an appointment." Include an admin dashboard to manage bookings. After that, click Generate and wait while Lovable builds the first version of your app. This usually takes just a few moments. Once your app is ready, review the pages that Lovable created. Test the booking form and make sure it includes important fields like name, email address, phone number, date, and time. Now, use the chat panel to improve the app. You can ask Lovable to add features such as booking confirmations, cancellation options, available time slots, or service selection. Simply type your request and Lovable will update the application for you. Next, connect a database so your bookings can be stored automatically. Follow the connection prompts and authorize the database. Then ask Lovable to save all booking information and display it in the admin dashboard. After that, customize the design of your app. You can change colors, fonts, buttons, and logos by describing the style you want in the chat panel. Once everything looks good, test the booking process from start to finish. Create a sample booking and verify that the information appears correctly in the dashboard. Finally, click Publish to make your booking app live. Lovable will generate a public URL that you can share with customers so they can start making bookings online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a booking app in Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.